they set to fly and ascend up there. When we set out to go on, though we don't know where, and the instinct's strong, watch them fly high and leave the earth behind. See them soar by. We've seen birds in the sunlight catching their wings.